Yeah, they're both here. How y'all? Me and my long-haired self. You can probably see what's back there. Probably got an idea what's coming. We are headed down to one of our favorite little things to do. It's just a simple, easy to get to little truck camping trip. It's down here on just one of our little local management areas. Honestly, it's not a scenic place. It's just a edge of a dirt road, a little clearing on the edge of a dirt road. Got a lot of fields and stuff around, and we just like to go there and pull up and do a little truck camping and just sit around and get caught up. It's been a while since we've got to do any camping or anything like that. I guess the last time I went with Mr. Poe was when we did the camping trip back during the summer. Yes, that definitely was. Mr. Poe's gonna make it tonight. Josh and Glendon both have to work today and tomorrow at last report. They were hoping they might get out of it and could come down, but I don't look for them. Got that dreaded mess over with. Didn't need much. Still enough to aggravate me. Before I head on to the campground, I'm supposed to meet Poe and James. I'm sure they are both already there. I am going to whip in here some crystals to go. If I could get out of this line, I would, but I don't know that I can get on around that truck right there. Nothing. What are you doing? Hello. How many other Pisgah kids we got back there? Just these two?
Sadly.
Yeah, they're both here. There's a long black train coming down the line. Hello, gents.
Glad you can make it.
Me too. I'm gonna end up tripping over that before the night's over. Guaranteed.
And I use 3 different kinds of beans. Yeah. And layer them with cornbread. And I use a mixture of mayonnaise. Okay. Salad. This is just, you make a big pan of cornbread and you crumble it up and put it on a mayonnaise. And then like I said, whatever, really it's whatever vegetables or whatever you prefer. Yeah, a lot of times I'll put corn in there too. But I'm gonna have to talk to her about recipes.
Fire's built.
I love it.
We're under a burn ban in North Alabama.
And that's probably borderline right there.
Well, it's supposed to be legal. So, we're enjoying the fire. Hey, that's pretty warm actually.
Took it off, poured it in a glass, took a little sip.
James trying to kill my camera. Oh, hey. Well, James is having his first camp sandwich and the steam coming off that sandwich. What do you think?
Delicious.
It's a beautiful morning, and we are enjoying. The sun is up. It's warmed up some. I was a little chilly last night. Wasn't as warm as I would have liked to have been, but should have brought one extra blanket or my thicker sleeping bag. My feet got cold. That was the only thing that got cold. Fire's still going. I can hear it beginning to pop, so she's freezing up again. So, we've just been sitting here. Had a bunch of ducks fly over this morning, early. So, I bet this little spot next weekend will be, it won't be near as peaceful as it is right now.
Not even sort of.
All right, I'm back. I'm headed home. We had a great little camp out, just a one-nighter truck camping deal. We just came down. We sat around the makeshift fire. We are under a burn ban, so we can't have a real fire. But we had a propane fire ring going, fire pit, and we were able to sit around it and enjoy camaraderie. It's the first time James has ever camped with us, so that's always fun. And you know, we just sat around, talked a lot. So yeah. All right. You got any questions? Okay. All right, then I'll let you go. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us today, guys.